Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to bake a banana muffin. Very tasty, tender, and easy to prepare. If you love bananas, you will love this recipe. Crispy on the outside and very soft and moist on the inside. For this recipe, you need very ripe or even overripe bananas. Unripe green bananas are not suitable for this baking. You can put them in a paper bag and they will ripen in a few days. So what we need today is 2 big bananas. I have for small bananas 2 eggs, 100 grams of sugar, 120 grams of butter, 150 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, a pinch of vanilla. Beat the eggs in a bowl. Add the sugar and a pinch of salt. Beat on high speed for 3 to 5 minutes until light and fluffy. This should be enough. The eggs will lighten and increase in volume nicely. Now let's move on to the bananas. They need to be chopped. You can use a blender or a fork to mash them. Add the chopped bananas to the egg-sugar mixture. Mix at low speed for a few seconds until you have a homogeneous mixture. Then sift in all the dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, and cinnamon. The cinnamon should be added to taste. I love baking with cinnamon, and I think cinnamon really brings out the flavor of the banana. Again, mix on low speed until you have a smooth batter. Add the melted butter and walnuts. I toasted finely chopped walnuts beforehand. You can use whatever you like. Again, mix on low speed until smooth. And I finished with this rich and tasty banana dough. And send it to bake, but first prepare the mold. Grease the pan well with butter and dust with flour. Shake off the excess flour. The pan is ready. The banana muffin will come out of the pan easily when baked. Pour the batter into the pan and smooth it down. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. A crust should form on the top, easily checked with a wooden toothpick inserted in the center, and it should come out dry and clean. Let the muffin cool in the pan and carefully remove it from the pan. The crust will be golden brown and the unimaginable aroma will fill the house. Very tender banana dough with bits of nuts, with a light aroma of cinnamon. It is very tasty. I like to eat it warm with a glass of milk. Don't forget to share your experiences and impressions. Leave a comment below the video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with all the new recipes I try. Thanks for watching and have fun!